Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the essentials ready. Start by opening the app and signing in. Tap Allow for camera, mic, and location. The detector requires live input. Once done, choose the detection mode, real-time scan or photo analysis. Make sure to select the appropriate resolution and frame rate. Higher settings improve accuracy but use more battery. If prompted, calibrate exposure and focus using the on-screen guide. You're now set to begin your first scan. Press Scan and watch the live readout appear. Now you refine the detection parameters to suit your environment. Increase sensitivity for subtle signals, but note this may raise false positives. Lower it in noisy scenes. Define the region of interest to focus processing power and reduce background clutter, and activate filters for faces or objects to narrow results. Turn on logging and set clip length to capture the full event. Once configured, run a short test scan and inspect the saved clip to verify detection quality, and finish by reviewing flagged detections and tagging or exporting critical clips for evidence or analysis. Make sure to enable push alerts for priority events and schedule periodic automated scans to maintain coverage. Backup logs to cloud storage and clear local cache when nearing storage limits. If detections seem inaccurate, recalibrate the camera, stabilize the device to reduce motion blur, and try lowering sensitivity. This often cuts false positives. Finally, rerun a verification scan to confirm changes fixed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.